This video tutorial I will explain what is a JSON Web Token or JWT. JSON Web Token is a compact URL safe means of representing claims to be transferred between two parties. In simpler terms, it is a secure way for a website or application to confirm your identity and share information about you. Now we will see how JWT works. When you log into the website, you provide username and password. The website verifies your credentials and if they are correct, generates a JWT. This token contains information about you, such as your user ID and roles. The JWT sent to your browser, which stores it. For any future request to the website, your browser sends the JWT along with the request. The website checks the JWT to ensure it is valid and has not been tampered with. If it is valid, the website processes your request. Why JWT is useful? First point is stateless authentication. The website does not need to remember your login state between requests. The JWT carries all the necessary information. Next point is security. JWTs are signed, making it difficult for unauthorized parties to alter the information they contain. Next point is efficiency. Since the JWT contain all the necessary information, the website does not need to query the database for each request, which improves the performance. In summary, JWT is like a digital ID card that proves your identity to the website, allowing you to access its services without needing to logging in repeatedly. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.